Right, so we've just arrived at the NEC for the Gravity show this weekend, so we're just going to be setting up our own stand as well as doing stands for Urban, Matt Armstrong, some of the stands for the Gravity guys and loads more, so stay tuned. We're going to show you the setup and show you the event. Okay, so the car that's going to be going on the floor on Matt's stand is this Rolls Royce. So a lot of you will recognise this car. This is Marcus Rashford, the footballer's old car that was crashed, and Matt's now rebuilding it, so it's been viral on his channel multiple times, and he's going to be featuring it at this year's show on our tiles. So the show has literally just opened 2 minutes ago, and already the queue to see Matt Armstrong and buy some of his merchandise is going around the block, which is crazy. So this is within 2 minutes of the show opening. Everyone's running straight to the Matt Armstrong stand, all just to see our flooring, I'm sure. Right, so we just got back to our stand, nearly all done on the other stands. We've just got one more patch delay, actually going underneath Conor McGregor's car, so we're going to film that as well. But time to get back to our stand, we're just going to tidy everything up, get this one sorted, and then we're going to go and lay that last patch. Right, so the show's now open. I'm just on the stand with Darren, Mr. Air Shroud. We're about to reveal all of the Slams cars, so stay tuned and we're going to show you the reveals. Right, so next up we're going to be doing 2 patches for the guys at Road to Success podcast. So I actually went on the podcast this week, look out for that dropping soon. But they've got their Lamborghini and there's an R8 coming as well as the podcast van. So we're going to get some patches down and then get the vehicles in place.
Thanks to the boys at Garage Style for making my stand look 10 times better. We've not only got a floor underneath my Lamborghini Huracan at Performante, but they've also done one and colour matched it to the R8 too. 10 times better than it would have looked without it.
Right, as you can see, there's such a big array of cars here, but we're going to show you some of our favourites.
This is the Transporter HQ stand. So you saw us deliver these tiles yesterday. The guys actually laid it themselves for the show here. So we're going to show you their setup now that all the cars are in place. So that's us done. Thanks for watching, guys. It's been a crazy couple of days here at the Gravity Show. Just time to pack up and we're out of here. So thanks for watching and we'll see you on the next one.